Mm. Yeah, this is Chef Steve here. Uh-huh. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, I could make that with excellence and ease. Oh, no, you know what? I just remembered. I left my sauteing pan, my frying pan, over at the college. That's right. I was giving a speech today to the students. About the benefits of the culinary arts and try to lead by example. I know, but in the process, I forgot the pan. I will have to stop there and get it, and then I'm on the way. All right. Be there soon. Showtime. Let's do this. Video. And in today's video, we are going to make Chicken Tikka Masala, a delicious Indian dish that is just exquisite. It's known throughout India, throughout Southeast Asia, throughout Europe, throughout America, throughout the world. It's a cultural classic enjoyed by so many, and we are going to make it here today. Among our ingredients, we have garam masala. We're going to use some smoked paprika. We're going to use cilantro. Of course, we're going to have our garlic and onion seasonings, turmeric, a little bit of curry. We are going to have a tikka masala simmer sauce. As far as chicken goes, rather than taking the chicken, cutting it up, and, reinventing the wheel once again, they're going to use popcorn chicken rather than getting the chicken and cutting it up into cubes, which is typically what you will find in chicken tikka masala. We're just going to have that part already done for us by using popcorn chicken. We are also going to have spinach for garnishing. Sometimes use parsley. I'm going to go with spinach. Spinach is also used in a lot of fine Indian dishes, such as sag paneer. I'm going to use it though for our chicken tikka masala. There is also cauliflower we're going to add. And we're going to add, of course, some jasmine rice on the side, or maybe have some of it in the dish. We'll see. Let's see what the video brings. Anyway, what do you say? Without further ado, let's get cooking! One more time, just to summarize our ingredients. We have, in the spice category, we have cilantro going in. We have smoked paprika. We have garam masala. We have minced garlic and minced onion. We're going to use ground turmeric. We're going to use some curry powder. We're going to use tikka masala simmer sauce to help give it that creamy texture. We're going to have the popcorn chicken going in. We're going to have spinach as the garnishings. I'm going to, of course, chop that all up. And we use a generous amount because spinach is always very good in a masala. We have cauliflower hiding in the back there. That will, of course, be the florets going in. And, well, oil. And, of course, jasmine rice, either on the side or in the dish. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get our pre-prep underway. Let's preheat the oven to 400. Now let's get our cauliflower ready. Come back here. Five minutes on that. Got 4 quarts of water in there. Add our rice. Let's go grab that. Got our cauliflower here, and in its place, I went ahead and grabbed some spinach. Bowl, little water. We're gonna put this in maybe for about, let's go with 2 minutes. Our oven is preheated. Let's add in some of that popcorn chicken. Add a generous amount, so it's good to have extra. If we don't use it all. We're gonna let this bake for maybe about 15, 18 minutes, something like that. This should be a good amount for the amount of chicken tikka masala we are gonna have. That is in the oven. Gonna set that oven for, let's make it 18 minutes. Now we will chop our spinach. It's my other nickname, the Chopper. Okay, looks like our chicken is ready. Very good. Okay, now let's do a little more chopping on the cauliflower this time. Next, I'm going to add in our tikka masala, spicy curry here, just to
Just to start heating it up a little bit, I'm gonna throw it for about a minute and a half, let's say, in the microwave. Just go with a minute and a half. Sloppy me. And also, let's check on our rice. I think the rice is ready at this time. All right, all our pre-prep is done. Okay, everyone, let's begin. First, we will get our oil in. Probably, let's go with, I don't want to go overboard, 1/4 of a cup maybe. Should be good, just enough. Just enough to work with. Now let's get our tikka masala simmer sauce. We're gonna add that in here. This might get a little messy. Hopefully I don't get this on my apron or my chef's hat. Now let's get the flame on. Some stirring underway here. Get some of our spices in. It's garlic. Little minced onion. Oop, sorry, cilantro. Important spice here, garam masala. And we're gonna have a touch of turmeric. Let's go this way, otherwise I will put too much in. Dash curry. Little smoked paprika. And some cilantro. Now let's get stirring. Okay, now we will add our popcorn chicken. You're mine. Now we'll add our cauliflower florets. I don't want to over add, so let's just see if this amount is good. Just a little more. A lot of trial and error sometimes, you know? Well, we used all the cauliflower. Stirring, of course. Let's add our spinach garnishings. Now, as I mentioned, I could add the rice in here directly. I don't think, you know what, I don't want to do that. I'm going to keep the rice separate. And of course, when you're ready to eat the dish, you know, feel free to add the rice in directly. I think this has been in here long enough. I'm gonna shut the flame. Looks rather good. And I think we are done. Yes, Chicken Tikka Masala is here. All right, we are done. Oh, yes, yeah, restaurant caliber here. Well, I think you know what time it is now. It's time for the test. All right, got my fork. I am eager to try our creation here, eager. Let's, of course, start with our Chicken Tikka Masala. Ooh. Sounds very nice so far, that's for sure. Ooh, yeah. And some rice to go with that. This looks great, I swear. I feel like I'm in a fine Indian restaurant here. All right, and now for the test of taste. Mmm. Very, very good. Very, very authentic. I swear this is right out of a restaurant. If I could create this, you can too. And the rice. Always nice. Like I say, you can't always, mix it together. Up to you. Either way is good for me. Mmm. Well, you know it. I know it. Magnifico! And there we are, my friends. Chicken Tikka Masala. Delicious, delicious, delicious. It came out exquisite. I'm very happy because I can tell you, no kidding aside here, this tasted just like something straight out of the many Indian restaurants that I have visited. I'm very happy this came out as good as it did. Frankly, I wasn't expecting it to, but it did, and I'm happy about that. So, if I can make this dish, I want you to follow along with this video, and you too can make a very similar caliber magnitude of Chicken Tikka Masala for yourself. Of course, you can always, as I say all the time, you can always change your ingredients around. Some people add peas to it. I use spinach for the garnishings. A lot of times parsley is used. It's all up to you. You're in that driver's seat behind the stove. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and until our next video, always remember, keep on cooking!